Sometimes it's helpful to have some video footage as a reference for a project or repair. So that is what this is for. Here are the jet nozzles and intake on our Scarab 215 ID Wake Edition. Please feel free to leave a comment if there are other shots or footage you would like us to try and capture. Thanks for boating with us today. Click on the videos to the right to catch up on all the fun we've been having with our Scarab 215. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and join our channel by tapping that subscribe button and clicking the bell notification.